Hi students, class 9, exercise number 7.1, question number 8. A park is in the shape of quadrilateral. The sides of the parks are 15 centimeter, 15 meter, 20 meter, 26 meter and 17 meter. And the angle between the first two sides is a right angle. Find the area of the park. See, first is 15 centimeter, here is 15 centimeter, second one is 20 meter. This is 20 meter, right? So the first two sides having the right angle, right? Find the area of this park. See, this is the right angle triangle, means by using the quadrilateral, this portion ABC is the right angle triangle. Imagine this is the right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This is ABC. Right angle triangle means this is act as a base. This is act as a height. Or if you turn this, one of the side is act as a height and another side is act as a base in a right angle triangle. Solution: by that condition, in triangle ABC, here ABC is a right angle triangle, so area of right angle triangle ABC. So area of the right angle triangle ABC means we can directly write the formula of base into height square units by the condition right angle. So right angle side means one of the side is act as a height, another side is act as a base. So off into base we take it as 15, height we take it as 20. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 15 into 10 is 150 centimeter square. Here meter is given, so 150 meter square is the area of the triangle ABC. This portion we have find out. Now we want to find out what is the area of ACD, the above portion, right? This portion we want to find out means here we don't know the height of this triangle, so we want to find out what is AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. So right angle triangle means we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find out what is AC, right? So here we are using the Pythagoras theorem to find what is AC. By Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, because ABC is the right angle triangle. Here only we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Here it is not 90 degree, right? So we cannot be able to apply the Pythagoras theorem there. Pythagoras theorem apply பண்ணனும்னா 90 டிகிரி கண்டிஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும். ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிளாக இருக்கணும். இங்கே ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, அதனால் இதில் அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் இங்கே இல்லை, அதனால் இதுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ 15, 20 சைட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ Pythagoras theorem ஃபார்முலா என்னது? ஹைபாட்னியூஸ் சைட் ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆப்போசிட் சைட் ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் அட்ஜசன்ட் சைட் ஸ்கொயர். கிளியர்லி இந்த ஹைபாட்னியூஸ் சைட் தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். தட் இஸ் ஏசி. தட் இஸ் ஏசி ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆப்போசிட் சைட் நம்ம எது வேணால் எடுத்துக்கலாம், அட்ஜசன்ட் சைட் எது வேணால் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ 15 and 20 இருக்குது. So 15 square plus 20 square. So AC is equal to 15 into 15 is 225 plus 20 into 20 is 400. Sum of this is equal to, so AC square here. Sum of this value is equal to AC square is equal to 625. நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது AC மட்டும்தான். So taking square root of 625. So 625 is a perfect square root of 25 into 25. So AC is equal to 25 meter. So in the diagonal AC என்னது 25 மீட்டர் தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. ஸோ above triangle பாருங்க ACD இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளுக்கு 3 சைட்ஸ் இருக்கு. பை ஹெரான்ஸ் ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி அதை கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஸோ இன் ட்ரையாங்கிள் ACD roughly draw here. This is the triangle of ACD. This is 25. Now only we have find out it. This is 26. This is 17. It is given. Semi perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Semi perimeter, let me take it as this is A, B and then C. So ABC is equal to 25 plus 26 plus 17 divided by 2. 25 plus 26 is 51. 51 plus 17 is 68. Therefore S is equal to 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. Here S is equal to 34 meter. Now area, by Heron's formula, area of the triangle ACD is equal to, we know the formula, that is S into S minus A, S minus B and then S minus C square. Unit is the formula. Now S is equal to, we have find out that is 34. Here S is equal to 34. So 34 minus A is equal to, we have taken it as 25, and 34 minus B is equal to 26, and 34 minus C is equal to 17. Now simplify this, we get 34. 34 minus 25 is 9. 34 minus 26 is 12. 34 minus 17 is 17. So 34 minus 26 is 8, not 12, right? Now expand the given form by prime factorization. 2 into 17 is 34, and then 9 is a perfect square number. If you take it as it is 9, just put it here. Here 8 can be written in that form of 2 4s are 8. Here 4 is a perfect square number, and then 17. Now this term is equal to 17 into 17, 17 square. 2 into 2 is 2 square into here 9 and then 4. Now we want to cancel the square root. Root and square will be cancelled, so we get 17 into root and square will be cancelled, so we get 2. Here 9 is a perfect square number, so we get 3. 4 root 4 means we get a perfect square number, that is 2. 17 into 2 is 34. 34 into 2 is 60. 8 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 4 remainder 2. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 is 204. So 204 meter square as ACD. Now therefore area of the park is equal to, first we have find out that is 150, right? First one, area of the triangle ABC is we have find out that is 150. Now 204. So the area of the park is 150 plus 204 is equal to 354 meter square is the area of the park. Thank you, students.